The 2011 XF. The XF drives very nicely with agile handling and a comfortable ride. Steering is quick and communicative. This vehicle has less than 55,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power passenger seat, traction control, navigation system, dual airbags, power steering, air conditioning, front, four-wheel disc brakes, compass, security system, power windows, trip computer, electronic stability control, heated front seats, CD player, rear window defroster, power moonroof, remote keyless entry, brake assist, panic alarm. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.